What is up, people? This is Ronak Kamble, your sneaker guy, and today we are going to see 5 ways that you are wearing your sneakers wrong. Yes, you. Just kidding. But yes, guys, as you all know, that sneaker game in India is touching the sky, but we still see some people wearing their sneakers in the wrong way. So let's see what are the ways they are wearing the sneakers wrong, and let's hope you're not one of them. So let's start. And yes, guys, before starting with this countdown, I just want to give you all a pro tip, that is, do whatever you want to do, wear your sneakers however you want to. And this video is just based on my belief and what I think. So it's not like that you have to do what I tell you to do, and wear your sneakers however you love. And that's pretty much it. So let's start with a countdown. Let's see. So the first mistake is not buying your basic sneakers first. So as you all know that when we start with a sneaker game, we all just fall for the hype and we are just like, oh, Jordans or Yeezys, which one should I buy? And many people do text me like, bro, I'm just starting with my sneaker collection, and should I buy Jordans, should I buy Yeezys and Dunks and stuff like that. But my advice to them is start with your basics. Like, you need to have a plain black sneaker, a clean white sneaker, Vans, Converse in your collection, because you can't wear your Jordans, your Yeezys on all different occasions. So you need to have something different and some clean sneaker, aesthetic sneakers in your collection to wear on different occasions. So that's the reason you need to buy your basic sneakers first. So the second mistake is not cleaning and maintaining your sneakers. So guys, this is a very obvious thing, but we all know that people do ignore this and they do wear dirty sneakers, and that doesn't really look good. And let me tell you that you should wear a clean sneakers, exclamatory marks, because they tell the character and the personality you are. And if they are dirty, slobby, that doesn't look good and creates a bad impression. So guys, please do wear a clean sneaker. And a pro tip from my side is that whenever you wear a white sneaker, just come home and wipe it once, and it will be ready for your next wear. So it will last longer like this, and it won't break down easily. So do wear a clean sneaker. That's it. So the third mistake is bad lacing, and that is very bad. And guys, bar lacing your sneakers is really not good, and that's a no go. And I have touched this topic deeply here in my previous video, you all can see it here. And guys, I just want to tell you all that please don't wear dirty laces on your sneakers or laces that are torn apart. So that doesn't look good at all. So that's it. Please don't wear wrong laces on your sneakers, and watch this video, you will get help from that. So that's it. No bad lacing on your sneakers. Please no. So the fourth mistake is not wearing right sneakers with right outfit. And yes, I know you all will agree with me on this topic, because we all have seen people wearing formal shirt, formal pant and a sport shoes under it, or a sandal under it, and some people wearing t-shirt, jeans and some formal shoes. So that is not at all right, guys. Please do not do this, and wear the correct outfit with correct sneakers. That's it. That's what I want to say, nothing else. So please do wear right sneakers with right outfit. So the fifth and the last mistake is covering your sneakers under your pants. And yes guys, we are living in the year 2020, and some people do follow the trend of 1990s. Yes, it was cool back then to wear a bell bottom pant, but now it really doesn't look good. And especially if you are a sneakerhead like me and you wear some good sneakers, I just don't want you all to cover that with a pant. And please wear a tapered pant which fits your leg properly and give your shoes a chance to shine. So guys, please do not cover your shoes with your pants. And guys, remember that wear your sneakers the way you love it. No one in the world can tell you how to wear your sneakers. and take this video as a piece of advice or a suggestion from a sneakerhead to a sneakerhead. So that's pretty much it. And guys, do subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. We are very close to 500 subscribers and we are going strong. So let's do 500 soon. And thank you for watching this video. See you next time.